Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel Teaching with Ms. Zoe Ali. Dear students, today's topic is silent letters from A to E. Part 1. Silent letters in English pronunciation, spelling and vocabulary. Yes, आज का टॉपिक स्टार्ट करने से पहले मुझे आपसे कुछ डिस्कस करना है। मैंने अपने 200 वर्ड्स विद साइलेंट लेटर्स एंड द रूल्स वाली वीडियो में थोड़ी फास्ट स्पीड में इंग्लिश बोली है। इतना फास्ट बोलने की 2 रीज़न्स थी। फर्स्ट रीज़न ये कि ज़्यादा लेंथी वीडियोस मेरे सेल से अपलोड नहीं होती, बिकॉज इसकी रीज़न नेटवर्क कनेक्शन है। हमारी साइट नेट बहुत ज़्यादा स्लो वर्क करता है एंड नेट का इशू बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है। वीडियो ज़्यादा लेंथी ना हो जाए, इसी वजह से मुझे फास्ट स्पीड से बोलना पड़ता है। एंड सेकंड रीज़न वो ये कि जहाँ मेरी रेजिडेंस है वहाँ फ्रंट एंड बैक साइड ट्रैफिक नॉइस का बहुत ज़्यादा इशू है एंड नेक्स्ट डोर नेबर के यहाँ भी ज़्यादा थोड़ा बहुत नॉइस वगैरह का इशू आता रहता है, जिसकी वजह से समटाइम्स मैं लेक्चर देते देते डिस्टर्ब हो जाती हूँ। एंड सॉरी फॉर दिस ऑल ऑफ दिस। ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडे टॉपिक. So in this lesson I am going to teach you about silent sounds. So I am going to teach you about silent letters in English words where we don't pronounce them. So this is a pronunciation video as well as a spelling and vocabulary video. So if you have trouble with pronunciation and spelling, this video is for you. So I am going to first explain what are silent letters. A silent is part of the word that is written but not spoken. Silent letters are letters in word that are not pronounced. Okay, now let's start. Now let's understand first. So let's get start with words. Okay, now silent letter A. First rule with silent A is if a word ends in ICALLY, then letter A will be silent. A is always silent if a words end in ICALLY. You don't pronounce A. A will be silent. You pronounce this word is basically. Basically. Listen up. Basically, it sounds like eagerly. It sounds like eagerly. Logically, politically, automatically, specifically, musically, frantically, artistically, geologically, biologically, physically, critically. Some other people mistake this word and say this basically, logically, politically, automatically, specifically, musically, frantically. No, you don't ever say basically, logically. No, it's wrong. You say this basically, logically, politically, automatically, specifically, musically, frantically, artistically, geologically, biologically, physically, critically. Yes, it sounds like eagerly. The correct pronunciation of this word is basically. Now, look at letter B. Second rule with the silent B is if a word ends in MB, then B will be silent. Letter B is often silent when B comes after M. B is not pronounced after M. B is silent after M. Yes, like this words. Karam spoken as karam. So, silent B means sometimes in a word we don't pronounce a B. When is this true? Well, the second rule with a silent B is we don't pronounce B after MB. If you see an M and B right after it, the B becomes silent. So we don't ever say karam, dum, thumb. No. You don't ever say karam, dum, thum. No. You say this karam, dum, thum. Yes. For spelling CRUMB, we have the B, but for pronunciation, we don't. You pronounce this word is karam. You don't say B. B will be silent. You pronounce this word is karam, dum. So let's look at some other words. You see this. This is a thumb. Now, what do you notice in the spelling of this THUMB, thumb? You are going to notice a pattern here. We have M. So, do we pronounce the B? No, we do not pronounce the B, so we don't say thumb. No, we say thumb. Yes, okay. So you pronounce this word is thumb. B will be silent. You don't pronounce B. You pronounce this word is thumb. The correct pronunciation of this word is thumb. Tomb, womb, climb, boom, jam, limb, lamb, plumber. Okay, now look at this. B is not pronounced after T usually. When B comes before T, then B will be silent. You see this word, that. B will be silent. That, doubt, subtle. Okay, now look at this. You don't pronounce the B at the end of comb. You pronounce this word is comb. B will be silent. Comb. All these word sounds M. Last word say Okay, now look at letter C's. Third rule with the silent C is it comes after an S and before an E or an I, then letter C will be silent. Am I pronouncing the C in this? Am I pronouncing the C in this? No, I do not pronounce the C. C will be silent. I pronounce this word is science. Science, scenery, abscess, ascend, descend, fascinate, muscle, scenario. Okay, now look at letter D. Fourth rules with the silent D is normally D will be silent before N or letter G. This not pronounced in Wednesday. Sandwich. What about Wednesday? Am I pronouncing the D in this? Am I pronouncing the D in this? Wednesday. So it's not. No, I do not pronounce the D. Okay? You don't say Wednesday. It's wrong. You say this Wednesday. You don't pronounce D. D will be silent. You pronounce this word is Wednesday. The correct pronunciation of this word is Wednesday. Sandwich. Handsome. Okay, now look at this. Letter D will be silent before the letter G. D is not pronounced in DG together. D is not pronounced in DG together. Hatch. So in this I am not pronouncing the D. You are correct. I pronounce this word is hatch. D will be silent. Hatch, batch, knowledge. Now look at letter E. Rule of the silent E is at the end of a word E will be silent. E is silent in the word. Remember that the silent E at the end will disappear. Sometimes the E affects the pronunciation of the previous vowel sound. Just like in word, you see this word like. You can see this. There are two vowels in this word. First vowel will be extant and second vowel will be silent. Like. mic. There are two vowels in this word. First vowel will be extant and second vowel will be silent. First vowel it's long vowel sound and second vowel it's silent. Mic, phone, name, fame, same, line, mine, fine, test, clue, back, life, nice, sight. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। इंशाल्लाह आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर मुलाकात होगी। जब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआओं में याद रखिएगा। ओके बाय, टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफिज़।